Owuoga ne migori waduog Nairobi. Gavana mar kaunti ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja okone komiti mar Senate ni kaunti no osendie chudhe mang'olo dundu mag pi kaka yor nyayo onge mar pi Nairobi mondo giyud thuolo mar uso pi giwegi.
Jatelo bende okoni kaunti chano keyo pi maromo lita milion 500 ne jodak ma Nairobi.
Sakaja loso e kinde mane ene nyim komiti mar Senate kamane othung'e kod penjo.
Jafwambo marwa Walter Nyambaga ne ntiere kawanya korom gajuan kendo loso na report ni yo machal kodwa.
To the Auditor General.
Eka olose nyim komiti mar Senate manono chenro ma county, Governor ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja okonigin kod chenro mar keyo pi maromo lita milion 2.5 odiochieng' kodiochieng' ne jodak ma Nairobi. Ma bang' yango ne komiti no nigisemako lethe 45 maturo dundu ma keyo pi e kaka yor kelo midhiero e kendo gi us pi giwegi.
We get 525 million liters, we need 850 million. We fast-tracked programs like the Northern Collector, which will give us another 140 million liters of water. And then the county will also undertake its own project, Northern Collector 2, to add another 180 million. More than 45 people have actually been arrested. And you find their water kiosks pumping water to estates even. You know, one had 16 pumps.
I appreciate that the governor has got some forecast arrangements in terms of how to increase water moving forward. It is one thing to do that, and it's another for the management that is there to be able to ensure accountability.
Jakom kamiti no ne oketo Sakaja tago maliet e wi loche ma keyo pi ma PC mar Auditor General ne okoni kaunti ne ochulo loche maromo 700 to kaunti owuon to wacho ni ne gin kod loche 117 e kama chudo mag loche go en siling 1015 dwe ka dwe.
It says that the records which were available to them indicated 273 cubic meter of water was supplied. Where did this other 55,446? Is this an issue of non-billed water? And if it is an issue of non-billed water, why would the records indicate that the water which was billed was 332 cubic meters?
We would want to understand why the Auditor General thinks there are 762 licensed private exhausters. The number they might have picked is a sample license that was given to a supplier and that was returned. But the number of private exhausters licensed are 117, and the annex should be showing those details of the 117.
Jatelo koni kembe mane omiyo rak mar keyo pi ne otimo ledhi moko wach mane omiyo chung chudo mage ka Auditor General to korka kore wacho ni county ne odhi nyime kod chudo mag pigego.
Where NMS during COVID-19 was giving free water to Nairobians, but then the books show that there were some instances where that water seemed to have been charged. The governor should be able to take responsibility.
Percentage of non-revenue water currently standing at 47%. Previously it was fluctuating between 36% and 51%.
Senate Committee bende nono mibadhi mar chudo mar jotije ma county maromo shillings milion 600 maonge otese machiwe ler.
What is the rationale for payment of bonuses? Because we have not seen those minutes. Maybe you know the rationale. That's all we want to.
I think it's pretty. But you know, you will serve your people better when your staff are motivated. In fact, this is extremely good. For your staff to be motivated, for the people at YCWA, for the people who are going on collecting meters, is actually a very good investment.
Yeah.
And so this process.
Yeah.
Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.
Hi, mano.